Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast Shadowing Practice.
Today, we're going to the airport. You'll learn all the useful English phrases travelers need.
From check-in, security, to boarding the plane, everything.
And we'll include some real airport announcements too. Ready?
Let's go. Hi, Mark. The line is long, but we're almost at the counter.
Don't worry. Let's prepare our passports and tickets.
Good morning. Can I see your passports and tickets, please?
Here you go.
And we have 2 suitcases to check in.
Great. Are there any liquids over 100 millilitres in your carry-on bags?
No, everything is under the limit.
Perfect. Here are your boarding passes. Your gate is 15A. Boarding starts at 10:30. Have a nice flight.
Thank you.
Always remember to keep your boarding pass and passport handy.
Please place your bags on the belt and remove your shoes, belt, and laptops.
Okay, shoes off, belt off, laptop in the tray.
Don't forget liquids in a clear bag.
Step through the scanner, please.
Done. That was easy.
Our gate is 15A. Let's sit here.
Do you want some coffee before the flight?
Sure, I need caffeine.
Airports are great to watch people. Look at that family. The kids are running everywhere.
And people with huge suitcases. I wonder what they packed.
I know. By the way, can I ask you some useful phrases?
Of course.
Like, how do I ask someone for help?
You can say, "Excuse me, can you help me?" Or, "Could you please tell me where gate 15A is?"
Simple and polite.
Attention passengers of Flight 450 to London. Boarding will begin at Gate 15A at 10:30. Please have your boarding pass and ID ready.
Mark, that's our flight.
Let's wait a few minutes before boarding.
Attention passengers. Flight 450 to London is now boarding at Gate 15A, rows 1 to 21st.
Always listen to announcements. They tell you when to board and sometimes changes in gate or time. Do you want to grab a snack before we board?
Yes, I'll get a sandwich.
I'll take a bottle of water and an apple.
That will be $12.50, please.
Here you go.
Airports can be expensive, but it's worth it for convenience.
True. And this is a good time to practice English with staff. You can say, "Can I have," or "How much is this?"
Final call for Flight 450 to London at Gate 15A. Please board immediately.
Let's line up. Have your boarding passes ready.
Got mine. I feel a little nervous.
Don't worry, just smile and show your pass.
Hello. Boarding pass, please.
Here it is.
Thank you. Enjoy your flight.
That's easy. See? No need to worry.
Wow, the seats are small.
Yes, but we'll be flying soon. Let's listen to the safety instructions.
Please fasten your seatbelt, turn off electronic devices, and read the safety card in the seat pocket.
Mark, what do I do if I need help?
Just press the call button above your seat and say, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Got it.
And don't forget to say thank you to the staff. Politeness goes a long way.
That's all for today's episode about English at the airport.
We hope you learned useful phrases for check-in, security, gate, buying snacks, and boarding.
Don't forget to follow our channel, like this podcast, share it with your friends, and comment below about your airport experiences.
Safe travels, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.